Hi friends, today I'm showing you this LOKiVE 21 pieces microfiber towel for kitchen. They're 11 by 6 inches, double-sided kitchen towel. They are the microfiber cleaning cloth. So you can use it for different purpose of cleaning. You can also use it for kitchen, glass, bathrooms, cars, anywhere. You can see the size, it is really soft and have a microfiber thing, easy to absorb water, cleaning, non-scratchy. So they are double-sided, so both have the same design but different color. Stretchable. So these are really absorbent. I tested a bit of it, like one not showing in the video because of the water, but they are really absorbent and nice clothes. So total 21 pieces in different colors.